6 reasons why you should join the Secrets of the Millionaire Mind intensive workshop. First, it can transform your mindset and habits for financial success. Success begins with the right mindset. It emphasizes the importance of reprogramming subconscious beliefs about money, wealth, and abundance. Many individuals struggle financially not because of external circumstances, but due to deep-seated negative beliefs that hold them back. By recognizing and transforming these beliefs, attendees can shift their mindset to embrace opportunities, take calculated risks, and develop productive financial habits. Second, understanding money as a tool for growth. Money is neither good nor bad. It is simply a tool that, when used correctly, can be leveraged to accomplish personal and professional goals. Attendees learn to view money as a resource that provides freedom, security, and the ability to make a positive impact. By shifting their perception of wealth and learning how to manage it wisely, participants can make more informed financial decisions that align with their long-term objectives. Third, proven strategies to fast-track income growth. Achieving financial success isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. The Millionaire Mind Intensive Workshop equips attendees with proven strategies to accelerate income growth, including high-income skills, smart investments, and business techniques that create sustainable wealth. Participants gain insights into how to create multiple income streams, leverage assets, and optimize their earning potential through strategic planning and execution. Fourth, mastering a system to manage and grow wealth. One of the standout elements of the workshop is the introduction of a money management system designed to ensure financial stability and growth. This system helps individuals allocate their income effectively by dividing it into essential categories such as necessities, investments, education, and fun. Understanding and implementing this system allows attendees to gain control over their finances, avoid common money traps, and build wealth over time. Fifth, developing a tailor-fit step-by-step action plan. Financial success doesn't happen by chance. It requires a well-structured plan. The workshop provides attendees with a personalized action plan tailored to their specific financial goals and circumstances. This step-by-step blueprint enables participants to stay focused, track their progress, and take consistent action toward achieving their financial dreams. By setting clear objectives and following a structured approach, individuals can navigate their financial journey with confidence and clarity. 6. Breaking free from limiting belief. One of the major roadblocks to financial success is the presence of limiting beliefs instilled from childhood or past experiences. Many people grow up with negative associations about wealth, such as money is the root of all evil or rich people are greedy. The workshop helps attendees identify and dismantle these limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering thoughts and behaviors that support financial growth. By overcoming these mental barriers, individuals unlock their true potential and open themselves up to greater opportunities. This event is truly one of a kind. It's not just another workshop, it's an immersive experience that will change the way you view money and success. With the help of expert trainers who have mastered these principles themselves, you'll surely receive guidance that is both applicable and effective. Not to mention the fellow high-caliber individuals you can meet and network with during the event. Who knows if your next friend, business partner, or client could be there? Showing up could open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Plus, attending an event like this is great for your personal branding too. So don't miss out and reserve your seats today by registering through the link in the comments section below.